Hello Year 7, welcome to today's lesson on measuring forces. Please write this title and the date at the top of your page. First of all, we're going to be looking at a scientist called Isaac Newton. He was born in 1643 and died in 1727. Isaac Newton was a British scientist who was interested in physics, mathematics and astronomy. One of the things he studied in lots of detail was forces, and he wrote several laws about them. The unit of force is named after him, the Newton. Please go to the Padlet and watch the short video all about Isaac Newton. Okay, here's a quick recap of some stuff you'll have learnt in the space topic before Christmas. Here it shows the difference between mass and weight. The mass is the amount of matter or stuff in an object, and it is measured in kilograms, whilst the weight is the force of gravity acting on an object and is measured in newtons. Please go back to the Padlet and have a look at the video that compares the weight and mass on different planets. Quick quiz. Number 1, in your books, what is the unit given to forces? Number 2, who are the units named after? Number 3, what is the difference between mass and weight? Number 4, what are the units for mass and weight? Pause the video here while you complete your quick quiz. Okay, here's an equation that you again came across in your space topic, and it's W equals mg. That stands for weight in newtons equals mass in kilograms times the gravitational field strength, which has a unit of newtons per kilogram. You would have used this equation in your space topic. Pause the video and complete the worksheet linked in the practice section of the Padlet. Newton meters. The size of a force is often measured using a Newton meter. We sometimes call them force meters. It is a spring with a hook that has a scale along its side going up in newtons. How would we use a Newton meter? To measure the weight of an object, you hold the Newton meter upright and place the object on the hook, like in this picture. The string will stretch, and that will tell you the weight of the object in newtons. If you can see this scale along here. There, see that bit easier. This scale here, the spring has stretched and we can find out the weight of this teddy. To measure a sideways force like friction, you hook the Newton meter, so this hook here, onto the object and pull it to the left or right and read the scale. Task. Draw a quick sketch of a Newton meter and add in the labels. So pause the video, draw a very quick Newton meter, it doesn't need to be fancy, and add these 3 labels, filling in the blanks. Here are what you could have had for your blanks. Okay, next task. Can you write down how much force is being measured by these 3 Newton meters? So you want to read where this red line is on each of them, and you'll be looking at the scale on the left where it's in newtons. Lots of Newton meters also have it in grams because they do the conversion of that equation from earlier, W equals mg, for you, because we know what the gravitational field strength on Earth is. Here are the answers. So this is at around 4. This is between 14 and 16, so it's 15. And this is between 2 and 2.5, so it's 2.25. Last question. How do we measure the weight of an object using a Newton meter? There is a sentence starter to help you. We measure the weight of an object using a Newton meter by... That's it for today's lesson, Year 7. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you get that worksheet uploaded to Teams so that your teacher can see it. Really well done, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.